Have you seen any sort of structural shifts in how SPAC IPOs are being launched today versus if we go back 5 years ago to 2020? And really, what has changed for in terms of terms, timeline, and sponsor alignment?
Yes, a lot has changed, and for the better, I would say. One of the most notable shifts is the rise of non-managing anchor investors, which we've seen in a lot of IPO structures. These are funds who put up some of the early risk capital, the GP level money, if you will. They don't manage the SPAC, but they do provide the capital to launch an IPO. And these investors are effectively betting on experienced sponsors who have done successful deals before, and it helps better align incentives and reduce kind of the friction later in the process. We're also seeing a big difference in who is launching SPACs. Today, around 80% of new SPAC IPOs are led by serial sponsors, people with real track records who have closed multiple deals in their prior time. The era of people who are doing this for the first time, raising blind pools, is pretty much over. In terms of deal terms, warrants have made a comeback over rights because they offer more upside optionality to investors. And on the pipe side, we're seeing more hybrid structures, use of preferreds, converts as a bridge solution. But we expect over time to see a return to straight equity as deals are starting to perform better. The timelines have also matured. Sponsors and targets now take more time, typically 9 to 12 months, to announce a transaction and execute thereafter. So it's a more deliberate, more investor aligned process, if you will, which I think is a sign and indication of a longer term health for the SPAC market overall.